Exodus is the all-in-one application to secure, manage, and exchange blockchain assets. Your private keys are encrypted and stored locally on your device. There are no hosted servers. This approach gives you total control over your funds. Exodus makes it safe and easy to manage over 100 blockchain assets in one wallet. View your portfolio balance at a glance. Your holdings are visually displayed according to the percentage of your portfolio. Check your portfolio balance over time. Market details of your holdings, such as market capitalization, 24-hour volume, and 24-hour price change, are available directly within Exodus. Accessing your wallet is easy. Simply click on the asset you want to see in the portfolio ring to jump to the asset. Then click on the asset to open its wallet. You can also click on the wallet icon in the sidebar and search for the wallet you would like to use. Click on the Wallet tab and the name of the blockchain asset to view individual account balances and transaction history. Clicking the transaction will expand the transaction details. You can use these to view the transaction directly on the blockchain. To receive funds, click the Receive button, and Exodus will generate your unique address. To send funds, simply scan a QR code or paste the address of the wallet you'd like to send funds to. In one click, send your entire account balance, or enter the amount you'd like to send. If you feel more comfortable working in your local currency, Exodus will do the conversion for you. With Exodus, you can seamlessly exchange your blockchain assets in one click, without ever having to leave the comfort and security of your wallet. Simply select the asset pairs and how much you would like to exchange. Market rates are provided in real time. What you see is what you'll get. Click Exchange. Your wallet will do the rest. All the technical details of the exchange are built into Exodus. This makes exchanges quick and easy. If there is ever an issue, our 24-hour, 7 days a week global support team is standing by to help. Download Exodus to begin diversifying your blockchain asset portfolio.